An equation is like a blueprint, and a graph is what that blueprint builds. This is a very helpful way to understand graphs. An equation is not just symbols and numbers. It is a rule. It tells us how numbers are allowed to work together. When we follow that rule and draw it on the Cartesian plane, we get a graph. Up to this point, many people think this is easy, but we have not yet explained why the equation y equals 2x plus 1 appears as a straight line on the Cartesian plane. To make a long story short, the straight line is not a single object. It is made up of infinitely many points. Each of those points is a correct answer to the equation y equals 2x plus 1. This is a crucial idea for understanding the relationship between an equation and its graph, and it will help you understand many graph-related concepts that follow. At the beginning of this video, I described an equation as a blueprint that defines its solutions. Not just one solution, but infinitely many that satisfy the equation. For example, suppose we choose values of x from -10 to 10. For each value of x, the equation tells us exactly what y must be. Let's start with x equals -10. To find the corresponding value of y, we substitute -10 for x. This gives y equals 2 times -10 plus 1. Multiplying gives -20, and adding 1 gives -19. So when x is -10, y must be -19. This means bracket -10, -19 is one correct solution to the equation, because substituting x equals -10 and y equals -19 satisfies the equation y equals 2x plus 1. Using the same process, if x is -9, then y is -17. If x is -8, then y is -15. Continuing this process gives us many solutions, 21 different x-y pairs between -10 and 10 alone, and infinitely many more beyond that. When we plot all of these pairs on the Cartesian plane, they line up and form a straight line. So when you see a straight line graph, remember this. It is not just a single line by itself, but a collection of infinitely many correct answers to the equation.